Drowning in Viber notifications and need a break? Learn how to disable alerts entirely or fine-tune them so you only get the pings that really matter. Viber sends notifications for new messages, calls, group activity, community updates, and even when your contacts join Viber. While useful, sometimes you just need silence. So, from the Viber app, go to More. In More, go to Settings. Then, on to Notifications. In Notifications, scroll all the way down till you see an option labeled Notification Sound. Tap on it. That takes you to the Notification tab in Settings. Switch the option labeled Show Notification to turn them off. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!